Hey guys, it's Jessica. This is day 2 of the Association for Creative Industries trade show Creativation, and today was kind of my plaid day at the show. We started off with the Plaid Ambassadors Breakfast this morning, where we got a tour of the whole plaid booth and we were able to see all of the new products that they have launching this year. If you didn't know, I have been on the Plaid Ambassador team this past year. In fact, I'm here at the show. This is my friend Marina. Look, it's me. That's my face. And so I was able to participate in that breakfast this morning and learn all about the great new products that they have coming out in 2018. And then later this afternoon, I got to go back into the Plaid booth and do a Facebook Live showing you how to use their fantastic new marbling paint. Apparently it's music time here. showing you how to use their new marbling paint that is in stores now. So look for that in your craft store and on the Plaid website. I'll be giving you tons of information on my blog about all of that. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!